Welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to pay your Lazada order using GCash American Express Virtual Pay. Before we begin, I would like to mention Edalberto Santos, Oliver San Gabriel, Jan, Romel John Espanol, Noureddin Muhammad OSP, Kenshin HXC, Carl Jason Abalos, Norvin Arenco, Doglover TV, Lesilda Danong and JTV Lover. Thanks to all of you. For this video, I'm going to answer the question of Lesilda Danong. This is how you use the American Express Virtual Pay in GCash. You will do the same steps in all your online payment transactions. First, open your Lazada app. Second step, choose the product that you would like to order. Then, click Checkout at the bottom. Here, you will select Payment Method, click View All Payment Method. We will use our American Express in our GCash, so we will choose Credit, Debit Card Payment. Here, you need to put all the information needed to complete the transaction. To fill in all the information that are needed here, we just have to access our American Express Virtual Pay in our GCash account. Open your GCash account. In your profile, click My Linked Accounts. Then choose American Express Virtual Pay. You can see the card number, expiration date and the full name of the account. You will enter all this information in the payment method. To get your security code or CVV in your American Express Virtual Pay, click the Generate New Code. Then click Yes. The security code will be sent to you via SMS. You will then copy that code in your payment info. You can choose to save your card details for your next transactions, so that you will not enter your card information every time you will check out your order using your card. But if you choose not to, you can just disable it. If all done, click Confirm Selection. Payment method done. Now you can click Place Order at the bottom. Congratulations! Your payment is successful. You can click View Order. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tutorial videos.